Hello guys, I'm Taya from London. Thanks for visiting and welcome to my channel, The Grapes Tamil. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to protect and reduce the viral infection from coronavirus. Currently, more than 70 pharma companies, they are working on COVID-19 antibody therapy and few are in human trials. As world waits for vaccine against coronavirus, most of the countries, they have started their vaccination already and people are getting the vaccination now. So one of the nasal pharma company, they have came up with a solution, nasal spray. So the nasal spray name is Tafix. Let's get into the video. Guys, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. When I heard about this nasal spray in news at very first time, so I have had a lot of questions in my mind. Then I have started searching it in Google. So I would like to share all of it with you. Basically, this is powder-based nasal spray. So the technology behind this one is 3 years old. So the powder means it has a very micro level dry powder inside of it. So this spray will be extra layer for us to protect from the coronavirus infection. My next question is, why nose? So all of us very well know that 90% of the coronavirus infection is happening via our nose. Does it going to replace my mask? Absolutely no. See, this is extra layer of protection for you. And people should remember that mask is playing a very major role in protecting us in the public health. You could see most of the people, they are not wearing the mask in a proper way. So in this kind of situation, this spray will help you out when you are just going into the crowded place or going to just travel in a crowded bus or train, anything else. So this will be obviously help you out to protect from coronavirus. My next question is, how does it work? When you inflated the spray into your nose, so what it will do, so it will absorb the water from your nasal mucosa and then it will create a very micro-sized thin layer in your nasal cavity. This will start immediately within the 50 seconds and this will last for 5 hours. It is basically annihilated in the low acidity, which means the coronavirus annihilated in the low acidity. Basically, this gel creates a layer and which has only 3.5 pH level of acidity. But when a coronavirus is entering into our nose, so this will entering in at the level of 6.5 pH. So this causes annihilated the coronavirus in our nose and this stops getting into our body. This gel creates a layer which is mechanically and physically creates a blockage for the coronavirus. Now you might have a question. So does it affect my sense of smell? Actually, this will have only inactive ingredients. So this will not affect your sense of smell. Does it have any allergenic chemicals in this? Hyperomellose. See, this is well-known pharmaceutical ingredients over the past 30 years. And this spray uses inactive ingredients so that there is no safety issue at all. You can just very well go ahead and use it. Is it tested and approved? Yes. So it was tested with the 250 people. So among that 80 people, they have taken this spray regularly and none of them affected by this coronavirus. And the rest of the people, they weren't taken this spray and there is an infection rate of 10%. So this was approved by FDA in USA. So now this spray is available in UK. January 13, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson approved this nasal spray and this is available across all NHS and you can get it from any pharma as well as online including Amazon. I have mentioned the link in my description to get it from the Amazon. So it costs around 53 pounds for 4 bottles of spray. Who can use Tafix? This is suitable for adult, athletes and children from 12 years old. Consult with your physician if you want to use it for your children below 12 years old or pregnant woman or breastfeeding woman. If you have any medical allergies, please read the product leaflet before you are going to use it. I hope this information is useful for you and your family. Please go ahead and use the spray and protect your family. Guys, thanks for staying with me till now. So we have almost reached the end of the video. So we'll meet you soon again in my next video. Until then, this is Daya from London. Bye for now.